Oh, wow, what's that smell? Did you buy these flowers for me? Or maybe for another cat? Come on, confess quickly. Go on, pet me, human, pet me. You know how much I love it. I'm working here as a flower taster, and you're my loyal assistant. Delicious. Is this dessert? Or maybe the main meal? You know I'm a gourmet. So, how do I look? Can I be in TikTok? Or should I taste the flower again? All right, I'm tired now. Take these flowers. I'll bring them to my cat laboratory. And don't forget to bring me new flowers tomorrow.